Yes, lads, what is happening, yeah? It's currently Monday, 23rd. Just this weekend, Donald Trump swung his cock about, threw some bombs at Iran, and now shit might be getting serious. Now, of course, we're traders, ain't we, yeah? We can make money off of this shit. So we got to be observing the markets right now and taking advantage of this time in history, because every single time there is turmoil in the world or major world news, we as traders can actually capitalize on this. Take a look at everyone's getting made redundant, traders are making fucking bread. Take a look at the tariffs. Tariffs dropped, what, last month? Market ate shit. Traders made generational wealth. If you bought the S&P right at that low, you would have made 4 or 5 years worth of gains in 1 month. So if you're a trader and you genuinely understand the markets and what the fuck goes on here, you can capitalize heavily off of these major world events. World War III, for example. Whilst everybody is shitting their pants, we are buckling up and are waiting for a massive fucking move in the market. Now, with that being said, market opened this morning and it's Monday. Of course, Monday, we're about an hour into New York session right now and I haven't taken any positions yet. I've just been basically having a look at what's actually going on because, well, we had the news drop on Saturday, really and truly. About Saturday night in the UK, Donald Trump went and done his first bombing. He took out all the major power stations in Iran. So, what does this do to the market? We don't know yet. We've got to wait. But normally, when this shit happens, the stocks will drop and gold will rise. Why is that? Gold is a safe haven asset. In times of turmoil, in times of scarcity, when everybody is shitting their pants, essentially, they sell everything and they put their dollars into gold. Because what happens with gold is gold just rises, bro. Gold rises. It's a safe haven asset, which means if you put your money in gold, most likely over a couple of years, you're going to be up and you're going to be up nice. So during times of panic, during times of people shitting themselves, they sell their stocks and they go into gold. This is why we normally see the S&P and the Nasdaq drop and gold rise. There you go. You just learned something. But essentially, I've been having a look at the market this morning and I'm thinking that the S&P is going to eat some turmoil shit. So we had the weekly opening gap. We had a big week opening gap. This needs to be filled. Sweet. London session come and filled this week opening gap, which is lovely stuff, okay? Now this gap's completely filled. We don't have to worry about the market coming any higher before it actually starts to eat shit. So what am I looking for here? What I'm looking for right now is for price to take out London high, this level right here, and I will be looking for a short time frame reversal to then sell and catch my position all the way down to even possibly this weekly open and low here, which will be a fucking hefty trade. So yeah, essentially, I'm going to keep posted. Essentially, I'm going to keep you posted. I'm going to let you know exactly what I'm doing. Any positions that I take, I will take on recording and yeah, I'll walk you through exactly what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. But during these times, boys, it's a blessing to be a trader because we can make some serious stinking cash off of some pretty negative things that are going on in the world right now. Let's just put it that way. But is it just me or is anybody else actually sick of living through major historical events? Because in the last fucking 2 years, bruv, this shit has been crazy, bruv. Like, well, in the last 4 or 5, if you involve COVID-19 and everything else that we've got going on, I mean, I don't even know if I can say that word on YouTube. Probably going to get fucking banned now. The scamdemic. But yeah, you boys know what I'm talking about, yeah? What we are living through right now is going down in fucking history. And if we can make tens of thousands of pounds from it, then why the fuck not? It's the beauties of being a trader, people. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep you posted. I'm going to jump on a recording as soon as we get to my levels. And yeah, I'll walk you through it and let you know exactly what I'm doing. Okay, well, for a second there, I thought he was going to drop before hitting my first target. So we just see a massive fucking dump on the 5 minute. This was 2:30. We assume a manipulation move is going to come here. And we did get one. Yeah, essentially what happened here is price literally just started eating shit. It dumped, but it perfectly tapped Fibonacci levels. Also, if we align our Fib levels with some fair value gaps, we can see we've got a very small fair value gap here on the 15 minute that has held. There we go. Doesn't matter how big or small, it matters. 15 minute fair value gap here. We've also got a 15 minute order block here, which I'm not going to mark out because we can all fucking see that. And then we've got the 15-minute fair value gap here, which is the most prominent one, which has been held nicely. Now, what I'm looking for here is a perfect sweep of London highs, and then I'm going to look for a big, fat, heavy fucking sell down to London lows and possibly even further targets, as I am very bearish right now due to the news. But I think our main target will be the week opening drop. And yeah, essentially we could catch a big fat juicy trade here, bro. This might be a holy trade. But yeah, as you can see, Fibonacci levels held perfectly. There was no reason for us to be thinking, oh my god, we're going to go any lower right now, because the next candle we've pumped off. Again, could have caught buys here, but we couldn't have. What is the point? I don't want to trade against the trend. I want to trade with the trend. Right now I'm bearish, Looking, zooming out, we're looking pretty bearish. Also taking into account Donald Trump bombing the fuck out of Iran, we got to take that into account too. So I'm expecting a big ass drop over this week at least, but I do want to take out this level here. If we take out this level here, I'm going to be fucking laughing, and then I'm going to wait for my low time frame breakdown, and then we can get into our position and target some hefty take profits. But yeah, just for a second there, I thought we was done. But we ain't, so it's all good. Fuck you, lads. Alright, sweet. So we are now flying towards our levels. This is why you be patient. This is why you chill. I just smoked a little Zeggy, and now I'm ready to jump in the fucking zone, bruv. Right, so all I'm going to do now is wait. Literally, boys. Like, I'm going to wait. Be patient. Like, I've been patient to even get to this level. And I'm going to simply observe the fucking chart now on the 5-minute. And wait until my strategy starts to play out. As soon as I get my 5-minute confirmation, it's time to drop to the 1 minute, and then we'll see what damage we can do. But this is looking lovely. Even now, just this 15-minute candle is a fat take profit, bruv. So yeah, if we can get a nice, clean, tight risk to reward, we can probably milk a 1 to 10 for this trade at least. And I'm most likely going to go in with full risk. So yeah, like I said, going to observe the 5-minute, and yeah, wait until something fucking happens. Do you know what I mean? Also, the time is now 2:50. So we've already been at the market for about, what, an hour? More than an hour? At New York Open, so yeah. Oh, we're gonna get our sweepage soon, bruv. Let's get a coffee made now and get ready. We're gonna make some buys. Donald Trump dropping nukes. Bush, right. You're still just tickling some nads right now. We need one final push. Breach these. Are these equals? Fucking pretty much. Breach these, get a nice sweep. Take out all of these pussy-os that have already been selling here. Ha 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 ha. Yo, there's so many men that are selling here now, yeah, that are like, yo, man's fucking riding it all the way to the news low, blood. Now they're gone, bro. Now they're gone. You need to learn how to trade properly, bro. But look, now my level's been hit. As I'm making my fucking latte. Say no more. What's NASDAQ saying? NASDAQ has not taken out the highs yet, but ES is what ES is my preference. I mean, I do smoke on some NASDAQ, but ES is the preference. So yeah, I'm going to observe ES. I want to get my position on ES. I prefer the contract sizing on here. I prefer everything on here, if I'm honest. But I'm not opposed to trading either or. So whatever gives me a better position, a better setup, I'm taking. But yeah, essentially I'm waiting for my sweep to confirm now, and then I'm going to jump on the 1 minute and get nitty with it. But I need to finish my coffee. Fuck me. Oh shit, it's closed the box. Alright. Alright. Still boredom. That's alright. What I really would like to see is a little stagger on ES, so it slows down a little. NASDAQ comes up, sweeps the highs as well, and then both charts are primed and ready to dump. But yeah, so essentially, I'm just going to be patient, as always. Okay, so I think we might be getting a little Nazi sweepage now. Yeah, that will be alright. Kind of want Nas to take the highs as well. What's going on here? Oh, this is previous bullshit. What's the time? 3 o'clock. Fucking got that movement. Well, goddamn. Well, goddamn. Right, we've got the NAS high taken now, which is nice. London high is taken on ES2, but very nicely on here. Now, if I see a breakdown, I'm fucking getting in. Yo, the thumbnail guys are moving crazy, bro. Oh, God. Hello? Sorry. Yeah, I'm just recording a video, but it's alright. Alright. We can go ban for fucking banned. So, yep. Still waiting. Still waiting. Malap, 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 malap. In the sunshine. Yeah. It's 50. Baby, can you? No bother. Beefing with my bitch right now. Got life still lit. Ride around the shit. Have $1 million whip. Every day I broke the road. I scratched them off the list. I surrender the rap. Oh, what about desire to? I'm about to hit a fucking fat trade, bruv. Come on, baby. Don't be dropping too far before you give me my confirmations now. I've been waiting. I've been waiting patiently, baby cakes. People tatting me and my anxiety. Done with that tune. Move on. Hey, yo, G Herbo is cold. I don't know who put me onto him, yeah, but G Herbo is cold, bro. I cannot lie on that. Alright, fuck it, I'm going in
Order
here.
filled.
Because we had a lovely rejection off of that order block. We've inversed this fair value gap. I need this 5 minute to not looking nice on that, but fuck it. Still got 2 minutes left on that. Yeah, that's what we're going with. Alright, well, we're looking safe right now, so I think I might have a fucking cigarette.
Order filled.
Hey, yo, that's what I thought was gonna happen. We didn't have the 5 minute confirmation. I did enter a bit prematurely, but that's alright. It doesn't matter. We still got one trade left in us. I'm going to observe the market now and see what the fuck is cracking, Bev. Isn't it? See, every time I break that rule, my 5 minute confirmation rule, I've paid a price for it. I've paid enough price for it now. $5 a day. I had the disgusting brunt. See ya. See ya. Nino in the building. I see, boys. More chance than Mr. T. Come through looking fly than a Christmas tree. That I'm leaving you tomorrow. Right. We're getting the 5 minute. Still got 1:30 left until we can take some fucking action. Smile I'm easy. I'm easy like a Sunday morning. It's a fucking Monday evening, Shan. I'm about to rinse the market. Whilst I'm yamming on some Jaffa Cake. If we got a fucking 5 minute, it's alright. Got 1 more minute. I think that this inverse is going to get held, causing the 5 minute to give us the break. And we can, wow. And that baby man, 15 seconds, boss. 2 minutes Turkish. I said 2 minutes 5 minutes ago. Easy like a Sunday morning. 4 seconds Turkish. 1 second Turkish. Okie dokie. I wanna be so high. I wanna be freedom.
Order filled.
I wanna be free. Just me. I entered a bit early and I'm doubling up my risk on this one because I'm a carrot, savage, basket, Carol Baskin, ratchet, bougie, classic, fucking hoe. I'm easy like a Sunday morning. Monstrous take profits. I'm going to be sensible. And I'm going to close out 5 of these.
Order filled.
Yeah, 1.5k risk is good enough for me. That's why I'm these 11 bags TP. Would be nice, wouldn't it? I'm still expecting somewhat of a return to this origin up here, but market's been moving a little bit erratic, so anything can happen really. We did have fair value gaps on the 1 minute get respected. Inverses get respected. Nice push off. I think our stop loss is safe, so I think we're going to be all right. If we do get hit, I don't think that this is going to be the move anyways, but West side when we ride and we clip the gang. You claim to be a player, but I fucked your wife. You bust some bad boys, fuck for life. Some mark ass bitches. Keep on coming while you're running through the rules, then you come and keep busting up the rules. You know the rule. Young ass up, leaving the beast, now the deceased. Go fuck around with real cheese. Yes, off your seats, your fuck peace. Song for life on the west side, ride the night. Bad boy murder on racks again. You know, see, grab the cops when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Look, you shot me, but your punch didn't finish. Now you're about to feel the rap of the business. I hit them up. Bitch made that bad boy killers. Get out the way, y'all. Get out the way, yo. Biggest smile just got chopped. And let me hit him in his back. Little accident murderer, and I ain't never heard of you. Pardon me, sunshine. How rude of me. Hit him up. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Look, you shot me, but your punch didn't finish. Well, it's now 3:30. We're 1 loss down. And now we're in our trade that's had our confirmations. So I'm still expecting price to... Oh, I'm getting a phone call. Oh, it's gone. I'm still expecting price to come up a bit. I did enter a little bit prematurely, but I don't give a fuck. I know what I'm doing. Maximum we're getting price come into here and then move off. That's what I'm saying. Because Fibonacci levels are definitely lining up just with that little tinker right there. So if we do come up past here and we even close above here, Fib's invalid. Most likely going to hit stop. Call it a fucking day. Then who gives a fuck? You better back the fuck up before you get smacked the fuck up. Fuck you and your motherfucking mama. Fuck Biggie. Fuck Bad Boy as a stab record label. That is a motherfucking crew. Well, I think I need another coffee, mate. I'm just going to be up and down, really, to be fair, probably from now on, because this might take a fucking minute. I mean, I'm expecting us to move with some oomph in just a second, but probably about an hour-long trade, I reckon, at least. Yeah, maybe hit a TP at R4 after a little manipulation. I think we got a macro soon. Already recuperated our little loss from earlier. If we was to close, but we ain't gonna do that, are we? Fucking hell. That's stupid. Fucking stupid, that, isn't it? So Naz is lagging a little bit then. Okay. Now why does it keep calling me and ending up, bro? It's 3 a.m. and about to ask in the morning shop, but I got I'm moving the back. Yes, bruv. Active. That's what I'm saying. And oh shit, I can't lie. The trade is moving right now, so I'm already up a bag. But yeah, fucking LG. Oh yo, I can't wait till you come out to Thailand, bruv. I can't lie, bruv. It's gonna be fucking sick. And yeah, you gotta go see Nonna first, because you're gonna be grinding it out when you get to fucking Phuket, bruv. And yeah, I can get you that yard sorted, no problemo. So yeah, I'll get back to you on that with a few other options that you can have in it. Yeah, you can have a little pick and choose. But yeah, glad to hear it, my brother. I'll see you out there fucking soon, bruv. I don't just love it when your boys are winning, bruv. Got my boy Dylan coming out to Phuket very, 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 very soon. Might even be flying back out there next time I go out there. So you need to surround yourself with winners, man. Sick. Talking about winners, what we got going here? I've got some big fucking extra plug in my ears right now. It's 3 a.m. and I'm right. Bro, don't even have a... Is there a speaker here or something? Only thing is that all of these fair value gaps are valid, so we have got to get through this one, this big one, and then that's it. And this little one, actually, yeah, not too many, only 3. 2 of them are pretty small, but they could still make a rejection. But bro, like, I'm extremely bearish on fundamentals and on charts, so yeah. Like, bro, really and truly, this TP, I'm not even going to close half. Like, I'm going to hold balls to the wall, bro, because I'm actually expecting price to come down here. And what would TP be there? Okay, that's just pretty insane. That's a 23k TP, like, Jesus Christ. But, yeah, I'm not going to be that greedy, do you know what I mean? I do think that we're genuinely hitting that, though. I'll take the 11. That would be cool. But, like, I'm genuinely convinced that we're taking out this data low down here. This is like the week open, bro, and this was technically the response to the Sunday news in a little bit of a small fashion, but we're still going to have a lot of shit coming out this week. Probably even a surprise speech today or something happened today, which will cause some sort of shit. And yeah, I'm really expecting the S&P to drop over the next few weeks. Even though we're speaking with all my investor friends, you know, the guys that do this on a longer term thing, they're expecting gold to rise and S&P to drop. So you got to take fundamentals into account, especially when this shit's happening. Like, we've got world-changing shit going on right now, and we can capitalize off of it heavy, you know. But this is a fucking good. This is a lovely take profit. I can't lie. Four-hour low, 1 hour low. I genuinely think this 4 hour low is getting taken as well, but. I hear the money calling. She wanna feel important. But ES is more important. I gotta catch this drop, dog. Right, so once we get this level inversed, really and truly, which isn't even really fucking a level anymore, but big ass order block. I hate the money calling. The tune I got in my ears right now is just literally screaming about money. I'm just looking at my screen, seeing 2 bags floating profit, thinking money. Run to the money. That money is important. As soon as I said that, I made an extra $300. Trading's mad, isn't it? Trading's fucked. People say this job's hard, bro. You literally sit at a fucking desk in front of a fucking screen and press buttons, bruv. Like, are you mad? Now we've got NASDAQ eating shit too, which is lovely to see. Because we all know what that means. We're right, we're correct. And it's only a matter of time before we rack in some bread. So now we're at London High, which was our first actual target. So we've got a way better entry than what we planned. Some fucking drill shit just come on my ears, bro. What is that about? There's no need to panic, lads. Perfect retracement levels, alright? We could still even come right up here. That's why he ain't break even shit. I know you saw 2.5 grand floating profit and thought, why is my man not closed it? Woo! Why the fuck would I close that? My take profit's all the way down here. You know what I mean? I don't believe my stop loss is going to get hit. We've got major retracement levels here. And even if it does, I don't give a fuck. Oost, oost. Oh, we did inverse this as well. Oh, that's a lovely fucking stuff, mate. We inversed that bitch. Lovely. How long we got? We've got 2 minutes left of this 5 minutes. Still got 1 fair value gap to conquer, 2 fair value gaps to conquer, and a big ass dirty order block. But this big ass dirty order block, I don't think will be a problem once we get down there, sunshine, at all. At all. This actually tapped right into this order block there. Oh. Right, well, I have been fucking going on this for about 2-3 hours. Well, 1 o'clock we come. Yeah, it's been 3 hours now I've been at the charts. I need to make some content. There's nothing much happening right now. I'm going to check back. You know, I'm going to have this screen up whilst I'm filming anyways. But, yeah, I'm going to give you guys some updates when there's some fucking updates. And, yeah, may as well come back to you when something's actually fucking going on. Because right now, it's not very interesting. It's just taking up my storage. So, yeah. Right, well, I don't know what the fuck happened. I just tried to update you guys right at the tippy top here, but I had no fucking audio, so yeah, fuck knows. But we've got some movement now. Again, we're hitting the levels that we were saying, you know, these are just deep retracement levels. We've got the Fibonacci here. If we was to have inversed this Fibonacci, the trade would have been written off really and truly, but we're safe. There's nothing to worry about. Everything's good. So, yeah, I'm going to crack on. I've got some videos I need to film now. I'm going to do that because I feel like we're going to be in this for the next hour or two. This is going to be a longer trade, I think. But yeah, also, as soon as we break out from here, though, we could just fly. So I'm going to keep you guys updated. I'm going to crack on with this video quickly. But again, if something does start kicking off, then I will jump back on. I'm going to have the screen next to me anyway, so I just got to fucking utilise this bad boy quick time. But yeah, lads, let's see what we got going. We're back up to where we was before, really and truly. When I bet all of you guys were like, close the fucking trade, more. Nah, what am I closing for? Alright boys, well I've just finished up the 2 little videos that I had to do, and we've come back to a very, very beautiful sight. So, all there is to do now is be extremely patient and wait for our final level to get hit. I could take some profit now, but I'm not going to because I don't give a fuck. I want to hit this big ass fucking trade. And I genuinely believe that we are going to come all the way down here. Especially looking at the hourly now, we have just had a big fat fucking raid on the hourly too. Has the 4 hour closed yet? Not yet. But when the 4 hour closes, we'll get a big ass raid on that too. Also, the hourly candle that we're sitting on right now, which has 15 minutes left, has already pushed right back up into retracement levels. So the level that we was looking at earlier, where I bet you all you lot was thinking, oh my god, he's going to get stopped out. Look at it now, bitch. Because I guarantee you when I was floating 2,700 profit, you was like, close the bitch, close the bitch. I bet you now you're probably thinking, close the bitch, close the bitch. But I ain't closing shit, yeah? I know what the fuck I'm doing. I could really and truly move my stop loss now to a break even. I'm not going to. I'm going to, oh shit. I'm going to move my stop loss just a wee bit down here. So now I'm only risking $600 here. That's safe, I think. That is safe. If we get tapped out with that, I'm going to be very pissed off. But yeah, now we're only essentially risking $618 and the $3,700 we got on the table. But let's just ignore that for now because that's not ours. We don't give a fuck about that, do we now? Okay, cool. So with that being said, I'm gonna hold my fucking trade and I'm gonna keep the recording on now. So yeah, I'm just gonna be like floating around, making coffee, staring at the screen, scrolling through fucking Instagram, posting some reels, editing some reels on my phone because there's no point me just sitting here, bruv, like getting menstrual about the trade, bruv. Like, oh, why is it taking so long? I've just got to fucking really and truly let it do its thing now, bruv. Do you know what I mean? Like, we're currently floating 3,500, between 3,500 and 4K. We've got one more fair value gap to breach here. And then, yeah, I think we're going to do all right, to be fair. I'm waiting for, I think we might be in retracement levels. Okay, we just hit equilibrium. So if we're going to retrace and go bullish from here, it's going to be from around one of these levels here. If we inverse these, there is no doubt in my mind that we are hitting that fucking take profit. Yeah, so essentially I'm just going to hold this, boys, and let it do its thing. But yeah, there's no need to, you know what I mean, second guess yourself or think, because I understand what's going on here, you know? I understand the market, and I know what I need to be doing. I need to be patient, I need to act upon what I see, and essentially just let it fucking be. Yeah, let's let it fucking be then, boys. So yeah, let's just fucking leave it, boys. Put my phone on charge and shit. Oh, bollock. It's coffee time. It's coffee time. We're up 37. It's minor. It's minor. I said, feel what I feel, what I feel, what I feel, what I feel. In the sunshine. You know what? I'm actually going to move my stop. I don't know why. I just had an urge to move this back to my normal position. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. I don't know why. I just really randomly had the urge to do that. So I'm just going to leave that there. That was weird. But normally when I have a gut feeling, I won't listen to it. Because I don't want to get wicked out of this one. If I get fucking wicked out, I'm going to be pissed. So yeah. Leave that where it is. Oh, that was probably annoying on the screen recording. Sorry, I was just flexing this trade on the old story quick. Lol. Right, so I told you, boys, that we're gonna get this movement in. We're gonna get this movement. I still ain't polished off my pack of Jappers yet. Jesus. Could buy a million packs of Jaffa cakes now. Get that coffee going.
To be able to see how the new week opens, but the
Fuck off.
Fluid wet.
Right, another cup of coffee. Made. Fucking same position as before. Just waiting, bruv. Just waiting, bev. Mike's not on. We are struggling to penetrate through this one here, but I think we shall penetrate Zai. Let's just get rid of this one. Don't need that anymore, Turk. It's just fucking gone, innit? We can have a little fatty butchers of this one, can't we, lad? You know what fucking me, right? So we're coming below equilibrium now. Coming below equilibrium now, then, buff. So that means that basically We should either retrace from here and fucking break these eyes and then we're fucked, or we're gonna completely smash through it, smash the granny out of it, and fucking make 11 bags, mate. So we'll fucking see, won't we? We'll fucking see, won't we? But like I said, mate, I ain't doing fucking shit, but I'm gonna hold it. We're up 4.2s right now, 420 blazing it. You know, speaking of blazing it, might have a little blaze. I don't know, I just drive myself nuts looking at these fucking bars and candles and lines and fucking labels and numbers all fucking day, do you know what I mean? Blah, blah. It's alright though, we do what we do because we make a shitload of wong. Oh god, I remember when I was fucking shit at this. It's so funny, bro. One day, you'll get there. I promise. It's very achievable. Okay, what we got? We got 3 minutes left on this one, Turkish, until we inverse this fair value gappage. And then I reckon, to be fair, we might be all right. At that point, I think we're gonna be all right. We're gonna be all right. We're gonna be all right. And then, bruv, I'm telling you right now, if we do not retrace, bruv, and we inverse these fibs, not even these ones. My bad. If we inverse these ones, we are fucking eating shit. We're eating shit. We're eating complete shit. Yeah, we're gonna make some good bread off of this one, I reckon, lads. What, I reckon? Yeah, I fucking reckon. I fucking reckon. I fucking reckon. Yeah. Ugh. What's going on? Absolutely fuck all. We haven't even changed 5-minute order flow. Lovely stuff. Ease bread. Can't lie, this is boring to watch, bruv. I've got bare shit I need to do as well. Like, time is fucking ticking on now, bruv. Like, how long have I been sat here for? It's 5 o'clock now. Jesus Christ. But, I mean, I did literally break this trade down from beginning before, when price was down here, bruv. Like, are you fucking mad? Come off it, bruv. Come off it. Before, during, and soon to be the after is all documented. With reasoning, with strategy, with fucking precision, bruv. We've still held this 5-minute fair value gap, look. What, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes on one FVG. We've got 1 minute and 30 seconds left until we inverse it, and then we should fucking fall. But again, we still got 2 retracement levels that we could bounce off of. One of them sat in this big fat order block here, which is pretty nasty, but normally these order blocks ain't very reliable, if I'm honest. The bigger they are, the harder they fall, as they say. Do you know what I fucking mean, bruv? So at the moment, we are what I like to say cushy, but I don't know. Anything can happen. Nothing happens till it happens is what I say, bro. Nothing happens till it happens, bro. Oh, don't you worry. This shit's gonna hit, bruv. We're up 4.5k right now. Ain't even touched it. Ain't even took a dime, bruv. I'm just watching bags roll in. Ha! Right, 20 seconds. Don't you dare wick us again. That would be bent, wouldn't it? 15 seconds. We should get this inverse now. 15 seconds? 10 seconds? 10 seconds. Let's look on the minute. We want the minute to close underneath here now. Oh, don't be like that. Don't be wet. We need a nice break as well. Like, I don't want like some gay break. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's inversed. Now we should get some volatility, bro. Now we want to see a little bing bap. Or we could even, we've got some nice juicy FVGs to fill here. And again, fib levels, always pay attention. We could come right back into this level with 2 valid fair value gaps to an area where we shouldn't be shitting our pants. We're just creating lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Yeah? I think you boys are learning something from this and all, mate. Yeah, this is exactly how I do what I do, bruv. But yeah, we've got to be patient. We've got to wait again. We've had another hourly close as well, actually, thinking and saying that. Lol. Okay, so we've got an hourly FEG here that we want to inverse then. Alright. We can go. Fuck that. Yeah. Right, boys. Well, think I'm gonna have to carry on with some work now. Yeah. Oh no. Gotta make some more content. I gotta do some bits and bobs. Again, we're just floating, bro. We're just floating. I'm expecting price to come back up here. Tap the retracement levels as we had a look at with the fib levels. We've got some valid fair value gaps here, which, you know, wouldn't be a worry if we come back up here. I'm just going to fill this imbalance and then hopefully push down. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with what's going on. Again, I'm just going to close this screen recording off now because I've been recording for another half an hour and we haven't done much. Apart from we broke this level. So we broke this level. That's good. We broke this level now. So it's cool. We're at fib levels for a retracement bullish. But I do think that these fib levels are just going to push us into this imbalance here. Fill this imbalance and then hopefully break the final low here, sending us to the take profit. So yeah, that is the prediction. I'm not expecting us to just, you know, fly all the way down here because that would be stupid. I am expecting a small retracement into one of these imbalance levels, fill that, and then move downwards. So yeah, I'll keep you boys updated as always. As soon as I turn the recording off, normally it does something. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to have this screen up. I just need to fucking edit some shit and I need to make some more content. So for you boys, some value so that you guys can learn how to do exactly what I'm doing right now. But yeah, say no more lads. I'll get you in a fucking minute when we got some more profit. Right lads, well, I've just literally, I managed to get about what, how many candles are there since we left? About 15-20 minutes of editing in and we're up an extra $3,000. It's looking like we're going to fly towards take profit now. So what I mentioned before about anticipating the move up, it looks like we haven't actually got that. And we are going to just continue eating shit. So again, we've got 1 minute and 30 until this close. It's looking like we're invalidating the fib levels from this swing low to this swing high. Essentially, if price is going to retrace and create a higher low here, then it should retrace from at least this deep retracement of the 7.9 here. Now, if we don't get that, we're going to definitely take out this low right here, and then it's only a matter of time before we go straight to our take profit of London low. Now, like I mentioned, I am still anticipating, what the fuck is that lag? I am still anticipating the very, very low to be taken out right down here. Because as we know, we've had some crazy news recently over the weekend. We had the big market opening gap, and this is a big draw on liquidity. Okay, so Fibonacci levels have been officially disrespected, violated, out of the equation. Now, I'm removing them. What we want to see now is price take out this low. Once price takes out this low, we are getting an inversion or a breaker block even, so price will break this order block. We are then going to hopefully have our rejection off of here. But yeah, like I said, just going to hold and just going to wait. It's only a matter of time now before we hit our level. Wow, that is a beefy trade, boys. Check that out, eh? I think you could say we know what we're doing. See, it always gets techie towards this area here, you know. We are floating 8.5k right now. But I don't think we need to be worried. Again, we've got another imbalance here. So price could wick up, fill imbalance before coming down. You've got to be wary of that. You've got to be wary of that. But yeah, boys, just wait. Just wait. It's currently 5:32. So we've been here since what? We've been here since here. And what did we say, right? It's all documented. We've got the proof, we've got the pudding, we've got the backing. There's the before, the during, and soon the after. And yeah, just showing you boys how we do it, really, truly, man. Wow. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna need a larger time frame because we've pushed very far. Okay. I'm about to close this bitch. I'm closing.
Order filled.
But I don't know why I closed. Because we're both definitely hitting take profit right now. But bro, I was not risking that. Like, I've been very, very patient up until now. I'm not getting wicked out of that 8 grand take profit. Fuck that. Do you know what I mean? Like, who in their right mind wouldn't just take that right now? You know, it'd be greedy of me to wait for the 11. But we shall see what happens. I mean, we're in. We made the 8. Well, technically we didn't because we lost. We lost one case, so we made 7. About 7.2, some shit. Fuck knows. No, we didn't. No, we just closed 9, so... Yeah, we definitely... But look, oh, we could have got the 11. We could have got the 11, boys, but listen, you've got to be strategic, not greedy. I mean, I did state about 1,000,000 times I'm not going to touch it until we hit that level, and I am expecting this level here. But again, boys, we've got to be smart about it. You know, was floating 9.5k profit right there, so with this big imbalance and this big move, I wasn't really looking to hold for that right final wick, but yeah. So right, boys, we got our trade. That was a literal journal, live documentation of a before, the during, and the close of a fucking beefy position. Now, as I said, I'm going to expect the S&P to drop for the next week, 2 weeks. So we could have caught a tippy top, and look at that, boys. That would have been take profit hit. I'm gutted I closed early. You know. I'm gutted. If only I waited 2 more minutes, boys. But what? You can't be angry with that, man. You can't be angry with that. Look at that. Wow. That is 5.5 years of pure day trading knowledge and expertise put into one massive fucking position. And that's how we roll. And that is how we fucking roll, bro. Oh, listen. One-to-one mentorship, link in the description. Stop fucking about. Get involved with a winning team. That's how we do it, boys. I've just been sat here for fucking hours, yeah. It's all, bruv. Bruv, look, Monday 23rd, 5:36. It's done. It's dusted. Oh, 9k TP. Okay, we lost the bag though, so don't remember that. We're up about 8k for the day. So yeah, it's nice though, boys. It's nice. It's nice. I'm gutted that we didn't get that 11. That would have been a fat and a lovely YouTube title. I made 11,000 trading. But we got the 9k. Fuck it, boys. Fuck it. Well then, boys. That is how it's fucking done. To be fair, I didn't expect that. Let's be real. I did not expect that when I started this video this morning. I thought, yeah, let me just do a little week trading, you know what I mean? After this war event news, my prediction on the market and what I think is going to happen. But yeah, we ended up smacking a $9,200 trade. After losing a grand, bear in mind. That's documented too. But yeah, boys, the power of trading is unreal. Absolutely insane. Now, I remember a time where I would fucking dream of this. And now I'm doing it. It means genuinely fuck all. But it's cool. It's cool to even be able to upload this YouTube video. It's cool to even be able to share some advice with you guys. But let me keep it real with you. It means nothing. Yeah. Making the money is cool, but it means nothing, bruv. It's just another number on another screen in your fucking account. What are you gonna do? Just buy some more luxurious shit of the stuff that you already own. Maybe take a nicer holiday. Maybe live somewhere better. But at the end of the day, it all means fuck all. Yeah? What I like the most out of this is being able to do something that not many people can do. Not many people can do what I just did right there. Quite simply, come to the week open, predict a solid fucking trading day, and most likely a solid week. Now, that's rare. But it's not hard. Once you've got the right systems, it's really, really fucking easy, okay? I've got the systems. I've got the knowledge. I've got the risk management. And as you can see, I've got the psychology. So, with that being said, boys, I hope you have a good trading week, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't know how long it's going to be, because I just recorded for 5 fucking hours. So of course I'm not going to put it all in. I'm going to chop it up from when I make the updates, etc, etc. But you guys can see, it's all there. I'm going to put the daily trades on the screen here somewhere, with the loss, the 2 wins, well, the 1 win. But yeah, been a good one, lads. I can't lie, it feels good. But it's just another day at the office, boys. So yeah, with that being said, if you want to work with me one-to-one, link in the fucking description. Join the winning team. Stop messing around. Let's get cracking, boys. Safe.